Hi, this is Rainbow Rising. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome, all beautiful beings. I am here at this beautiful location by the rock. I hope you can feel the power of this place. I got here by a total coincidence. It started pouring down, and I wanted to hide away here. And I don't want to leave because it's so amazing. So beautiful and very, very soothing. And I want to say, after winter must come spring, and I have a very, very strong feeling. And I've been reading nature from today that our lives have just begun. The wheel has turned. I was by the wheel a couple of days ago, and everything speaks to me about the brand new beginning, about the mountain of dreams, the dreams that we created, and we are the ones responsible for climbing it. We create the mountain, we create our dreams, we create the mountain out of our dreams, and it's our joy to get to the top of it. It's only our quiet personal victory. Nobody needs to know and nobody needs to understand. It's just your heart that needs to understand. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope you're finding peace in your heart, and I hope you feel that you are closer and closer to your dream life. There's no longer a gap between dream and reality. It's become one. I hope you enjoy walking this path. We are in this together. I hope you have the courage to spread love. I hope we have the courage to have compassion for those who don't know how to positively channel their emotions and stay stuck. I hope Mother Nature embraces you like it did me today. I'm very grateful for the rain. And please take some of that vibe, because it's so protective, like a mama bear. I hope you feel safe and protected, because you are. And we are in this together. Take care. Speak to you soon.